Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you guys my updated mini twist routine. It's been a year since I last put up my video about my mini twist, so it's time for a new one. I already did most of my hair, but I have a small section left, so that's what I'm gonna show you guys. If you want to check out my first video, I will link it in the description box below. So guys, for my products, you don't have to use the exact same products. You can use your own products that work for your hair. And people always ask me why I use the exact same products in most of my videos, because these products work for my hair. They work great for my hair. Okay, and products are hella expensive, so boom, we gonna talk about that. Okay, products are really expensive, so just use what you already have. Okay, so I tried to make the same amount of parts on both sides of my head because I didn't want one side to, look fuller and have more twists. It looks weird, trust me. So try to do the same, or try to balance it out. I'm just making my first section. You don't have to use a rattle comb. I just like the front to be a little bit neat. So guys, I apply my leave-in in the shower, so you won't see me putting it on my hair in the video, but I just skipped right onto my curling cream. I just spritz my hair with some water and apply a generous amount of this cream because it's very moisturizing, and it makes your twists look very juicy. Okay, so yeah, if you can use a curling cream, go right ahead. So I'm just working that cream into my hair. I think it's actually very important to do this with your butters, your oil, your creams, even water. Okay, I feel like it works. The products actually work better for your hair. So I just take my shea butter and warm it up in my hand. You can also use an oil of your choice, and I just seal all that moisture in. So since I don't like puffy roots in the front, I take my Eco Styler gel, or if you have an edge wax, you can use that as well. I take that and I put that on the base of my twist to kind of lay that section down. And the thing is, I don't start with a twist right away. I first do a braid and then I start twisting. That's also gonna help your roots not to, get very poofy. I just twist and then I apply a little bit of Eco Styler on the ends as well, so I could get a nice curl. So that is basically all I do for my twist. And since I have some time to talk to you guys, I just want to say thank you to all my loyal subscribers and to all the people that watch my videos and also like my videos. Thank you, it really helps me. We are almost at 500 subscribers and I'm already so excited. Thank you guys for the comments that you leave me. They really help me, to create more content for you guys, because sometimes it feels like I'm doing this for nothing, okay? But then I see you guys' comments and I get motivated to create more content for you guys. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abrona. You can also call me Brony. And yeah, I make natural hair videos, beauty videos, and also lifestyle videos. So that if that's the type of content that you love to watch, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications. Another tip for you guys, don't braid or twist your roots way too tight, because then it's not a protective style anymore. It's not protecting anything. That's why I'm using the gel to actually slick the hairs instead of just pulling it. This is not in the video, but I also oil my scalp. My scalp gets pretty dry, and then it's gonna start itching, and then it's gonna start flaking, and I don't want that. So yeah, if you have that problem, try oiling your scalp to see if it helps. So this is the final result, and my twists are looking nice and juicy. The reason why they're looking so juicy is because I properly moisturized my hair. So that's the key, guys. I don't like to walk around with wet hair, so I went ahead and blow dried my hair. It wasn't actually on, but I just wanted to show you guys what I do. I blow dry until it's about 60% dry, and then I leave it to air dry. So this is a week later, and my twists look pretty good. I sleep with a satin scarf. It helps to preserve your hairstyle, and it protects your hair, from frictions and everything. So it's a win-win situation. It's no magic, it's just a satin scarf. That way you don't have to retwist your hair every 4 days. So yeah, that's the video for today, you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.